Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Give me a second, guys. Let me fix this. Okay. Yes. So today's video, we're going to be doing a cute gift idea. So today I'm going to make this little heart, like kind of like a card, and do a DIY gift idea. And before I get started, I just want to say thank you to a subscriber that just subscribed to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. And I hope my videos will help you and you will get some advice from my videos, okay? So I'm going to do that today. And I'm going to draw my DIY gifts. And I'm going to use these two papers. And then give me one more second. Okay, so I got some scissors in case I have to cut them out. And before I even get started, this will be like my last video, because I know from tomorrow until the weekends, this will be the last. So when all my videos are uploaded, by like next week again, I'll start filming more videos, okay? Alright, so I'm going to get started by making the heart gift, cute heart gift. So this is a DIY heart idea. Wait, DIY cute gift, okay? So I'm going to use this paper. I'm going to make the hearts. We're going to use this paper. And then we will glue them on this. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it this way. Okay, so we're gonna draw 3 big hearts at the top, and then hearts like, oh, I should turn the paper in like this. Yes. I'm gonna fix this heart. And then, okay, now let me pause. All right, now we're gonna start coloring them now. And then we're gonna cut them and make them, oh, I'm doing the wrong thing now. I have my crayons with me. And then I'm gonna color them. I'm gonna color them pink. Oh no, I just broke it. It's okay. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments. Since you guys like these type of videos, and I'm not gonna lie, I like these type of videos. I'll show you guys why I'm coloring them. I like these type of videos because this can be like, say, you know, when kids are like into art and into coloring, this can be a little fun activity if you're at home and you want to do these type of fun stuff. Can y'all see me okay? Sorry, this is in my way, so you guys can have an enjoyment. All right. So. And when I tell you guys something, when it comes with me, when it comes to coloring, I don't know. Sometimes I'll spend, when I was younger, I always like to spend time on coloring and just, you know, being myself, okay? So, alright. So, now I'm done. Now, they're doing a little, like they're underline their lines. So I'm going to use the black underline my the hearts that I just did. So let me do that in the meantime, just to make them look nice. Okay. So I'm just underlining it. All right, so now done with that. Now I'm going to cut them. So I have a scissors with me. I'll put that there. So I'm going to cut them. So what I like to do, I like to go like this because I don't like cutting them like that and they mess up. So I'm going to start with the ones with the 3. And I'm going to gently cut the hearts nicely as I can. I don't know how well I'm going to cut this heart, but let's see. Alright, we got one heart that I cut. Now we have the other one. Okay. We have messed up that wood. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments, like, what you guys think. If you like these type of stuff. Okay. So let me pause and I'll let you know when I'm done. Alright, guys, so I'm done cutting my heart. I didn't want to keep y'all bored with me just cutting my heart like that. So now, I'm going to take a piece. So what I'm going to do is I want to cut this a little bit. I'm going to cut this a little bit. Cut that off a little bit. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is, I think they have glued them together. So they do them, they put 2 like this, 2 like this, and then they put 1 at the top like this. So that's how they put the heart. But I want to try to use tape because honestly, the glue, I don't mind glue, but it's like nowadays, it's like, girl, I hate getting glue on my hand, you know? So I'm going to try to see if I use some tape, would it work? Okay. So I'm going to go like this. And then we stick it on there. Okay. If I had to like go like on here, like another wrap. And then you go here. Hey, you guys. Okay, that's the same I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape it because the tape is more easier than, not like I wouldn't mind the glue, but it's just this tape. And I try to put it as close as I can. Hey guys, these things don't play around. Okay. I actually enjoy doing these things. Very, very fun. Okay. Alright guys, I'm trying my best to see if I can make them hold. You might see the tape, but like I said, the glue would have made it more messy. But I'm just doing it how it's supposed to be done. So, like that. Hey guys. I'm gonna try to fix this one here. Okay. Alright guys. I'm going to show you in a minute. I just want to fix it just a little bit. Now. Okay. I wanted to make it stick, okay? Okay, now all right, so this is a so I'm going to, they say they do a line like this. So I'm gonna go draw a line around it. Like that. Okay. Alright guys. So this is how, I'm just gonna just make them whatever different. It doesn't have to be the same like theirs. Okay guys, so this is a very little like Valentine kind of a gift. Okay, that's what it looks like. I know they just did a line, but I wanted to make it more fancy, you know? So this is my DIY little gift. Cute little gift. Very cute and very, very fancy. So this is what it looks like. But they didn't do no square around it. But that's how it looks like, okay? But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys think about this gift and what I could have done better on this. I wanted to make it like that, but that's how the best I can. But this time I used tape. But would you guys think how I did? Okay. But I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. So I won't be filming until next week. And then I'll give you another 2.5, or maybe when I film next week, I'll give you an early, maybe end of the month before the month ends, like a little early notice that I will be taking a little break as well. So I will give you a little notice when that's close to the end of the month, okay? I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Alright guys, this was the gift I was trying to make on the video.